Welcome to Made Easy Prime. I am Diksha and I am here to announce new online module course for Instrumentation Engineering for GATE 2021 exam. Recently, IIT Bombay has released the notification and it has been observed that there are several additions and changes that has been made to GATE 2021 syllabus, and also there are different changes that has been made to Instrumentation Engineering GATE 2021 syllabus. Keeping in mind the requirements of the students, Made Easy Prime has introduced new online module course that will cater the need of the students by providing module course for new syllabus and module course for old syllabus. Keeping in mind the requirements, Made Easy Prime has launched new online module course. The course is specifically designed for sensors and industrial instrumentation and will cover all the topics module-wise. Let me take you through the course features now. There are recorded sessions that will be taken by renowned faculty of Made Easy who are highly experienced and expertise in teaching the subjects. The best thing is the chat facility for doubt solving so that students can raise their doubts and concerned faculty will clear the doubt within 24 hours. You can also analyze yourself by online test. Study material will also be provided, which includes theory book and workbook. The course commencement date is 25th of September. For detailed information, you may check out the link which is given in the description box. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and I wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.